Hi, in this video I'm going to share some useful shortcuts for rows and columns in MX Excel. We make regular videos relating to softwares. So if you like our videos, press the like button and the subscribe button. Now moving on to the topic of our video. The first shortcut, select an entire row. Press the shift button and the spacebar button simultaneously. Similarly, to select an entire column, press the control button and the spacebar button simultaneously. To select multiple rows, first select a single row and then press the shift button and the up arrow key or down arrow key to select multiple rows at the same time. Similarly, to select multiple columns, first first select the column, then press the shift key and the right arrow key or the left arrow key to select multiple columns at the same time. To delete a row, first select the desired row, then press the control key and the minus sign key simultaneously, and the row is deleted. Similarly, to delete a column, first select the column, then press control key and minus sign key simultaneously, and the column is deleted. To insert a row above the selected row, first select the row, then press the control key and the plus sign key, and a row is added above the selected row. Now similarly, to insert a column to the left of the selected column, first select the column, then press the control key and the plus sign key, and a column is added to the left of the selected column. Now, to hide a entire row, first select the desired row, then press the Alt key, the H key, alphabet O key, alphabet U key, and alphabet T key, and the row is hidden now. Similarly, to hide a column, press the Alt key, alphabet H key, alphabet O key, alphabet U key, and alphabet C key, and the column is hidden now. To increase the row height, press the Alt key, alphabet H key, then alphabet O key, then again alphabet H key, and you can increase the height as you desire. Similarly, to increase the column width, press Alt key, then alphabet H key, alphabet O key, then alphabet W key, and you can easily enter your desired value and increase the width of the column. Now, if a text is of a greater length than the column width, press Alt, then alphabet H, then alphabet O, then alphabet I to automatically fix fit the text length as per the column width. Now, if your text is greater than the column width, you can also fit the entire text in a single cell by increasing the row height. The shortcut is Alt H and W key, and the entire text is fixed within one cell by increasing the row height. This option is called Ref Text, which can also be found under Home menu in the Alignment tab. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video, and please like and subscribe.